How is the London, Ontario real estate market? This is a thing. So waves up and down is what I would say, right? Every single week we are seeing fluctuations in inventory. It is a seller's market, which we'll get into in a second. That's actually the fifth question. So you're going to want to stick around for that. But currently we're seeing a myriad of things happening. So we are seeing very high priced inventory selling in multiples, a couple $100,000 over asking price, and lower priced inventory all of a sudden not getting offers on offer date. And then you're seeing other lower priced inventory getting 14 offers and selling close to 200,000 over asking price. That just happened to us last week. It's property specific. And if you ask an agent, how's the market? And they tell you, great, go find another agent. Because how the market is really depends on what asset class. Are you a buyer? Are you a seller? Are you an investor? Are you in commercial? Are you buying residential? Are you buying in Grand Bend, Ontario, where the cottage COVID craze is a real thing and happening, but the weather's been really bad and maybe people didn't show up last week because they didn't want to make the drive? It depends, right? So what I would say is day to day, we are making adaptations depending on the inventory that we're sitting on or what we're looking at with buyers, and we're advising based on the needs of our sellers and buyers. Sometimes the right move is to wait for the inventory to come or wait for a better opportunity because it's completely financial. Sometimes this is a phenomenal opportunity for you, and the opportunity cost of you not buying this could potentially mean the market's going to increase again another 10% in the next 6 months. That's a real thing and can happen. So if you're going to be sitting on this and all the optics and numbers work, buy it now before that happens, right? It's what I said goes back to at the beginning in terms of having a power team that is dialed into what is currently happening in the marketplace. Fun fact, real estate agents that just put listings on the MLS don't really matter anymore. Honestly, like if all your value prop is to turn around and say, hey, I'm going to put you on the MLS, I'm going to give you sold data. There's all kinds of websites that actually offer that. The expertise of a real estate agent looking narrow focused at how they can bring their clients value is the future of real estate. Talking to a builder and saying, what pain points can I put out for you? Looking at land that they've assembled, their projects are rolling out and saying, you know what? Yeah, I could sell 30 of those. Let's pull back and let's just sell X amount of them so that your material costs are protected and we don't just blow it out because we can, right? Like what's the market going to be like in 8 months? Because that's when you're closing and building these properties, right? It's, with the buyers, giving them that advice of saying, this is what's happening today. This is what we see coming down the line, and then being dialed into the things they can't find on MLS. So if anything of value to any real estate agents watching or buyers or sellers or anybody else is find the people that can give you information that you can't find on your own on MLS. I think that's where it's at. The market's on fire, but there's still really good opportunities. A lot of investors are wondering, I'm going to wait. Meanwhile, I'm seeing deals on the MLS and we're writing deals with investors that are knockout cash flow, have great upside. You just got to know how to look at it.